the digital economy. Let me turn now to the fiscal framework. Mr. Speaker, the government fiscal policy for the financial year 2023-2024 and the medium-term budget aims at undertaking a growth-friendly fiscal consolidation plan to ensure debt sustainability. This will be achieved through improved revenue collection, primarily through broadening of the tax base and containing overall expenditure to target set, while prioritizing higher impact social and investment expenditure. Mr. Speaker, the fiscal policy targets to grow total revenues to 17.9% of GDP in financial year 2023-2024 and above 18.3% of GDP over the medium term. As part of the economic turnaround plan, the government will scale up revenue collection efforts by the Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA, to a target of Kenya shillings 4.0 trillion over the medium term. In order to achieve this, the government is undertaking a combination of both tax administrative measures and tax policy reforms. Mr. Speaker, regarding tax policy, the government will implement the national tax policy and finalize the medium-term revenue strategy for the period financial year 2023-2024 to 2026-2027. The national tax policy, which is before this House, will enhance the administrative efficiency of the tax system, provide consistency and certainty in tax registration and management of tax expenditures. The medium-term revenue strategy comprises rigorous administrative and policy measures to reform the tax system, which is expected to boost tax revenue over the medium term. On tax administration, Mr. Speaker, the Kenya Revenue Authority is implementing reforms to move towards seamless taxation by ensuring that its systems, taxpayers, and businesses are integrated to allow for the automatic movement of data through machine-to-machine based processes, and where appropriate, shift to real-time processing. This will enable KRA to monitor business transactions in real time, therefore sealing revenue leakages through tax avoidance and evasion. On the expenditure reforms, Mr.